What does studying to be a patent attorney actually involve? I'll give you an insight into the UTS course. Hi, this is Will. Welcome to the Innovow channel. UTS is one of 4 universities across Australia that has a course approved by the Professional Standards Board that allows for direct access to becoming a patent attorney. This course is their Masters of Intellectual Property program. This course is completely online, which is great for people like me who work full-time and have plenty of extracurricular activities. This means that I can still work full-time, still have my current job, but be studying to become a patent attorney in the future. The UTS Masters of Intellectual Property course was actually the first course which fulfilled the entire educational requirements to becoming a registered patent attorney. And being a patent attorney isn't the only outcome that you can get from this course. You could also go on to be a trademarks attorney, an IP lawyer, an IP portfolio manager, policymaker, government regulator. The world's your oyster. Within the course program there are 15 subjects that you can select. But of course, to actually complete the course, you only have to complete 8 subjects. So the specific subjects that you'll choose with this course are dependent on what you want as the outcome of the course itself. If you want to go on and be a registered patent attorney, then you'll need to have completed a certain set of 8 subjects. Whether that's prior recognition as well, or whether that's all through this course is up to you. If you have managed to get a prior recognition for a subject, so a subject that you've done an equivalent of or that subject before, then you can take that as an opportunity to use that extra subject space for something else to expand your knowledge even further. And if out of this your aim is to become a trademarks attorney, then you don't have to complete the full 8 courses to be a patent attorney. You can complete the specific subjects to be a trademarks attorney and then use those extra subjects to whatever you would like. As I've mentioned in a previous video, there are 9 specific subject areas that are required to become a registered patent attorney. These 9 subject areas are legal process and overview of intellectual property, professional conduct, trademarks law, trademarks practice, patent law, patent systems, drafting of patent specifications, interpretation and validity of patent specifications, and designs law. These 9 subject areas are covered off by the 8 subjects at UTS. Now most of the subjects have the same name as the required skill area, but for legal process and overview of intellectual property and professional conduct, those 2 areas are combined into one subject called preparing for intellectual property practice. Now there are admission requirements to getting into this course. You must have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent or higher qualification, or you need to submit other evidence of general and professional qualifications that demonstrate the potential to pursue these sorts of studies. And if you do have some sort of qualification, it is definitely preferred to be in a technical area, or an area which may be covered by patent law or trademark law or copyrights, etc. If you want to study full-time, you can complete the course in just a year and a half. If you're doing it part-time, then you can do it in 2.5 years. This is because there are only 8 subjects required. But if you're like me and you want to do it 1 subject per semester, then of course it's going to take just a little bit longer. But there are time limits for when and how long you can actually stretch this out. For example, passes in subjects are only valid for 10 years. So if you do a couple of subjects, defer, do a couple of subjects, defer, that sort of thing, and it goes over 10 years, then the subjects you had initially completed won't be recognized. And I think it's a really good idea to try and get them done, as soon as possible within that time frame. The closer you do all the subjects together, the more you're going to retain the knowledge from the earlier and the later subjects altogether. So far in my studies, everything has been online. So you access the lectures, which may be audio or maybe video, online through the UTS Blackboard online system. All of your assessments are online, so you'll maybe have group assignments where you'll be assigned a chat board and you'll bounce things back and forth, or maybe you talk through emails, it's up to you. Then the final assessments are quite often done as a take-home assignment. So you'll take this home with you, you'll complete it over a certain amount of time. You can have access to the internet, you can have access to whatever you like, and you need to return it with whatever the best answers you can give. Honestly, it's a great course. It's really good fun. It's awesome to learn about how patents and trademarks and all that sort of thing, how they're all set up and how they work behind everything. So I find this course to be great value, and I'm looking forward to becoming a patent attorney. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the little bell icon to be notified of new videos. Innovow. Invent, innovate, and create your world.